Hello and welcome to Callisto's Live YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over again GJ Euro USD, same as every day. But before we get started, boom. Links down in the description to all these channels. Twitch is where I live stream every night from 10 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, so 1 hour before New York session open. So I live stream there, trades, analysis, chatting, chilling, all sorts. Obviously the YouTube channel, if you like the channel, subscribe, like, comment if you want to see any other pairs analyzed or any other content you want to see. Twitter is where I post a lot of I post some videos on there, some analysis, some pre-market analysis, what I'm looking for at the market open or during the sessions, whatever. A lot of cool stuff on there. And also the TikTok, which I've just started posting to as well. So check those out if you want. If not, let's get cracking onto the video. So last night, let's have a look. GJ, where was we? Yeah, so 1 second. Shut my door. So yeah, last night, GJ Asian London New York session. What I was mainly looking for is sales, as price did start making this downtrend structure, right? Failed to break. This is what I went through on yesterday's video as well. So we have a high here, we have a high here, and then these highs failed to crack, right? So these highs failed to crack these highs, and then these highs failed to crack these highs. So price was trending down and we was breaking lows. We made a support here, we came down and broke that, made a new support, and then yesterday we started selling off at London Open. But I was looking for sales below this level right here, and I talked about that on stream as well, so people in the stream knew what I was looking for, things like that. And price did end up coming down for around about 40 pips, which would have been very really nice, but this was 3 a.m. in the morning for me, and I was obviously asleep at that point. So there wasn't any trades on GJ yesterday, but some beautiful setups, you know, some really beautiful textbook setups that happened. And this was the range that I was trading, and price did end up breaking to the downside, which I was looking for. I wasn't really looking for buys up until above these areas here. So that did work out very nice indeed. So yeah, looking into today, I'm still looking at sales here on GJ. We have price did come up and it's made a nice resistance, and we're currently spiking up now, but this is the new this could be a new 4-hour high right here that we make, and then we continue to turn bearish and break these lows, and that's what I'm looking at. I'm not really looking at buys again here. Price, it does have this kind of resistance in here, but I'm only looking at sales, right? So price does continue up and starts breaking, then the bias will obviously change going into New York session, and I'll obviously update that on my Twitter, and also you'll see that on my Twitch as well. When I'm live, you can come check that out. But as of now, as of an hour or 45 minutes before London Open, I am looking at sales below 167.756. If price does reverse and starts coming down, I will take sales here, right below this level. That's news tomorrow. We had news today, but yeah, nothing else really to look at on GJ. Now going into yesterday's sells on Euro USD. If I pull up picture real quick, you'll see these were my sells, and that basically was over here. So as price started breaking down, I think I entered around about here. Price came up into a little bit of drawdown, had this bullish candle, and then price ripped back down after that. My stop was 20 pips right there, and then I took profits right as this candle closed right here at around about 28 pips, 29 pips in profit. If I just pull up my MT5 real quick. I'm not going to show my I'm not going to show my account number, but you can see if I did this and then switch to this, you can see right here $350. That was a standard one lot. You can see the date and time yesterday, price that I entered, my stop loss, and then you can see if this is GJ, let me go to EUR USD. So you can see, why is it doing that? Okay, because of that. You can see right here, that's where I entered, and then I took profits right as this candle closed. Like I said, took profits right there. Boom. $350, not bad. So yeah, really good trade on GJ. And basically, I just saw that price, the current yesterday's daily, right, failed to break the previous daily high and started rejecting, and then price started selling off quite heavy during Asia session. Then we had this pullback, and then price ripped back down again. So I was just looking at those continuation buys with overall structure that had been broken, because as price came down here, it actually broke the previous daily low as well. There's a previous daily low. So price respected previous daily high, did break it, and then came down and broke the daily low. So that for me would mean that momentum now switched to the downside, right? So bearish momentum coming in, and then we got that big sell-off. Price did actually end up pushing down for 53 pips ish. So that was a really nice trade. And for the rest of the night, I wasn't too bothered. I was potentially looking for price to come down and close below this support that it made right here. But obviously, again, price pushed up, and then this was around at 1:30, 2 a.m. I'm asleep at that point. Looking at today, you can see yesterday's low has been broken, right? It did find support there and reject off and bounce ups. But it did break the previous daily low, and of course we've got the previous daily high all the way up here. So meaning for me, I'm only looking at sales at this point, right? Because we have sold off, potentially got a retracement coming in. We've obviously the previous daily lows up here, so price could literally come all the way up here, right? Like 80, 90 pips, not break that previous daily high, and then could still sell off and be bearish. So that's what I'm looking at. So we'll see if we get like a pullback here for during the rest of Asian, and then maybe at London Open we'll start to see that sell off, and then I'll look at sales below this support that was formed here now. So below 097572 is where I'll be looking at sales, but just below this support area, just to continue these short-term sales that we have seen, like this short-term sell-off. Let's see if it continues. If it breaks up and starts breaking up over here, then I'll reevaluate for New York session, and like I said, that will be on stream. That will be over at Twitch. If you want to come check that out. So if the bias changes, I will be posting my analysis before I take any trades on Twitter as well. So you can go and follow those. Twitter and the Twitch is where you'll find like the updated analysis stuff for tonight and me trading live basically. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Really good sales yesterday on EUR USD. Nice $350 made for a couple hours work. So I was really happy with that. So let's see if we can get those continuation sales on EU and GJ for the rest of the day. GJ is respecting this resistance currently, so if it does respect it and flips bearish here, this would be really nice entries, like I said, below 167.756 for sales. So yeah, with that being said, I will actually let me just show you the Twitter real quick. Let's show you the Twitter. So you'll see yesterday so these were posted 21 hours ago, and then this was 19 hours ago. So 2 hours before that I took this sell, I posted that analysis right on Twitter, looking at sales below 0.98095. Right, so I posted that analysis 2 hours before I actually took the trade. So you'll be able to, yeah, I post loads of things like this, like pre-analysis to some videos on there, some links to the YouTube videos, Twitch, more analysis, more analysis, like looking for buys for USD above 0.98111, all those kind of things. So definitely go check that out. Leave a follow there if you want to. With that being said, I am done. Thank you for watching, and I'll be again same time tomorrow for the updated version on what happens tonight during London and New York. And again, links down below for the stream, for everything you need. Come say hello tonight if you want to watch me live trade and things like that. And yeah, I am done. Peace out.